Hello guys, and then welcome to another video. Per the headline, you might be wondering how I was able to achieve that kind of money. Yes, so this video will let you know how I did that. Okay, so let's take a quick tour to my monetization. This is real. Okay, I could refresh it again, and then you will realize that it's real. It's not Photoshop. Okay, first of all, I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get access to every video. Okay, yes. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how I made this money within few months. Yes, that's 9,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is real. It's not photoshopped. I would refresh it again. Okay, this is real. Okay, so let's dive right into the main objective of this video. Okay, so this is a writing hub. Okay, it's a writing hub. This is my followers and then the number of articles I've written so far. This is Opera News Hub, and then this is my monetization tab. Okay, that's 9,000 Ghana cedis. So I'll walk you through how I was able to make this money within a few months. Okay, so let's get right into that. So first of all, I will have to log out of this account and then go back to the home page. Okay, so what you have to know is that you just have to search on Google. You search for Opera News Hub. Okay, yes, and then you click on the first link to take you straight to their home page. The one thing you have to know is that you have to select your country, your preferred country. It could be anywhere, okay, but it's basically in Africa. Okay, so I have Nigeria, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Egypt, Ghana. So I'm currently in Ghana, so I would choose Ghana and then move on. Okay, so let's move on. After choosing your country, and then you click on the login or sign up. Okay, so you have two options. You could either use your Facebook account or your Google account. Okay, yeah, I would use my Google account. So let's check this out. It's loading. This is really legit, trust me. Okay, so these are my Gmail accounts. I'll just choose one. This is the current account. Okay, so this is a demo tutorial, so I will choose any account. So let's go with this one. Okay, yeah, so they will ask you to fill in your details. Okay, so this could be your username, and then you select your country. Okay, so changing the country or territory may affect factors including your target audience and the monetization policy. So always make sure you have a valid government issued ID of the country or territory you chose. Okay, so then you confirm and then you confirm. Okay, and then you confirm again. Okay, so the second part is account info. You could choose any name you want. That will be your username. Okay, this is all about making passive income through article writing. Okay, making passive income through article writing. So you could choose any name. You could choose Mr. I don't know, any name, any username. So let's go with Bright News. Okay, and then you choose your category. You could choose any category, but the only trick is that after choosing the category, you won't be limited. You could write about other things, but I would advise you to choose something like politics and policy or anything of that sort. So let's just go in for maybe entertainment. Okay, choose entertainment, and then you choose a preferred photo. Okay, and then you write something about yourself. Okay, maybe I am a dedicated writer or something like that, something brief, something about yourself. Okay, then you move on. Yes, you would have to upload a photo. So let's see whether I could get a photo, any photo. Okay, let's see. Could choose any photo, but it has to be decent. The photo has to be decent. Okay, let's check. Could choose any photo, but it has to be very decent. It seems I don't have any photo right now. Okay, let's just choose any photo. Okay, let's just choose any photo. Okay, let's just choose any photo. Okay, let's choose this one. Yes. No, this is really wrong. Let's change the photo. I don't really have any photo, but I think we could work with one. Okay. Let's see. These are all videos. Okay. I don't really have a photo right now, so I will just choose anything. Okay. So let's let's go with Esla. Okay. Let's go with Esla. Okay, I will load that, and then yes. So after that, you click on next. Okay, the username has already been taken. Okay, so let's change the username. Let's say Lincoln, anything of that sort, just something simple. Okay, maybe Lincoln blocks. Okay, then let's move on. Okay, we are through. Okay, so this is the most important part. Okay, so you just have to insert your legal first name. Okay, maybe let's say I don't want to use my real name because I already have an account. They might ban it. Okay, so just insert any name. Okay, let's say Lincoln. The last name could be say, and email could be maybe you could just insert your email. Okay, and then you choose your country code. Okay, this is +233, and then you insert your number. This has to start from, in case your number is 0556 or whatever, just start from 556 442 or 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, yes, something like this, and then you choose whether the money should be sent via Momo or bank account. Okay, you see that bank account. For the bank account, you will have to fill in your details, okay, then your ID and stuff. But for the Momo, you would have to just insert the Momo account, okay, that's the name on the Momo number, and then you insert your ID. Okay, so the ID would require either your national ID or international passport or TIN number. So one thing about the national ID is that the TIN number has been infused into your national ID, so you just have to click on your national ID and then you insert the number on your national ID. Okay, the one that starts with GHA, that's if you are in Ghana, and then the other digits continue like that. Okay, for the referral code, you can just ignore that portion, it's not that important. So after filling this portion, you click on the I've read and then agree to Opera News Hub terms and conditions. After that, you just click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, it will send you to this home page. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so it will bring you over here. It's loading. Okay, so after filling in your details, it will bring you to your home page. That's where you could, write your articles and get monetized for that. It's just easy. Okay, so but before you'll be accepted to write, your account has to be verified first. So after maybe 3 days max, your account will be verified. You go check, you log in and then you check your account. You notice that your account has been verified, so they will not insert any tag stating that your account is under revision. Okay, over here. So after that, you start writing. You could see that these are current stuff. Okay, January 16th, December 2021. Yes, once you are here, then you are true. Okay, once your account is being verified, you are true. Okay, yes, these people keep sending unnecessary notifications. So for those who will be using their PCs, you will have to come to the create portion and then you start writing your articles. You write your article headlines, maybe Akufo-Addo. The first letters has to be in uppercase. Okay, so Akufo-Addo finally rejects e-levy. That would have been a very good news, and you would have gained lots of clicks. And then one thing you have to know, that the clicks will give you your your money. Okay, yes. So this one is for headline 1, headline 2. This is when you want to bold in your right. Okay, so you highlight this and then you click on that, and then it will to bolding up. Okay, and then this is when you want to insert image. This is when you want to insert a link. Okay, and then other format. This undo and then redo. So after your account has been verified, you would come to this place and then you start writing and then you start earning. So this for this video, I hope you enjoyed this one. I would urge you to follow me. Click on the subscribe button and then turn on your notification, and then you like the video and then you share it. And in case you have other questions to other pertaining passive income videos, you just let me know in the comment section below. I'll be doing another one on another active income, that's passive. Okay, that one is paid in dollars. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.